Okay. Well, behind me is Project Big Red, a 1960 Lincoln Continental Mark V. Yes, it's a Mark V. From 58 to 60, Lincoln made these cars, and every year, 58 was Mark III, 59 was the Mark IV, and this was the Mark V before they went to the more popular four-door convertible in 61. The 58 to 60 Lincoln Continentals have the distinction of being the largest post-war Lincolns ever produced. And unfortunately, they hit the market at a time when the U.S. was going through a recession. So that, combined with the sheer size of the thing, meant that combination of unibody and, let's call it, amateur rust prevention at the time, means that these are very rare cars. They were very, very rare when new. This is only one of, I believe, 2,044 produced. We purchased this car on Hemmings Auctions in December of 2024. And I'm doing this video in September of 2025. It was a driver quality car. The two brothers owned the car for, I believe, nearly 50 years in Rhode Island. I pulled the car in, and with a variety of projects here in the shop, Joe and Bobby have slowly been working on the car. The two biggest things so far. Shortly after we got the car, I pulled the dashboard as the original foam lumber had literally disintegrated and was not in great shape. We sent that out to Just Dashes in California, and to their credit, they sent us back a very beautiful piece that is matching, and it will be ready for install here. The rest of the interior, as you know, was reupholstered at some point, as well as the carpeting replaced. So what was really holding it back was that dashboard cover. So Joe and Bobby, in their spare time, have been working on the engine under hood here. They pulled the engine, over 600-pound engine, and Joe proceeded to reseal it, do a number of things to the engine, as well as detail it. He's done an excellent job with that. Even sourced and ordered look-alike labels for the under hood components. It's really nicely detailed now. And now that he's got the engine back in and running, another challenge for him was this car has not one but two heater cores, one on either side. And so those are unobtainium now. And part of the wait was for having a local radiator specialty shop build bespoke heater cores for the car. You know, it's going to be more of a pleasure car, but on those cool fall days, it's good knowing that not only do they not leak, but they also will provide heat. So now with all of the chrome removed, it's ready for paint, and this will be going to the paint shop very soon. We're not going for a show quality thing. It's going to be a nice number 3 driver, 3+ with a fresh paint job. The car's very solid overall. Having taken the trim off, there is some slight rust over in the rocker panels over there, so we'll have the body shop address those. As much as we can do mechanically and electrically here in the shop, this is not a body shop, so this is going out. While this is out for the 6 to 8 weeks, that we're estimating that it's going to be in the shop getting painted. Last week, I took all of the chrome pieces to NEL Chroming in Philadelphia, and they're also on about a 6-week timeline. They come highly recommended, and they're going to not only replate the chrome pieces on this, but also clean up the stainless steel. It's got scuff marks. So I'm hopeful by around Thanksgiving time, we're going to have the car back and all the pieces. So that's all for now.
Thanks for watching this video. Please press the like and subscribe button, comment below, and be sure to check out our other videos on this subject, as well as all of the great content on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can call me at the number listed below, or be sure to check out our main website, guyswithrides.com.